Welcome back. So in this video we will going to discuss our very first HTML tag, which is HTML headings. So HTML heading tags allows you to define headings in your document. The heading tag can be written as, this is the syntax of the heading tag where H stands for heading, written in angular brackets some content, and /h written in angular brackets. Just don't forget this slash. It signifies that the closing tag, and the other one signifies the opening tag. Normally HTML defines 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. Note this point that H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. You will notice the difference between all these headings when I'll show you on Sublime Text. So headings are used to highlight important part of your document structure. Search engines often use headings to index the structure and content of web pages. So let me show you on Sublime Text. Okay, so before showing you the difference between all the 6 headings, just note down these shortcut keys. These shortcut keys will be very helpful for you in this entire video series. So I'll give you just 5 seconds to just note these down. Just note down these shortcut keys. Okay. So I'll press Ctrl plus N. This is my new file. Just save it by pressing Ctrl plus S. Save it by HTML page.html. Don't forget this .html extension. And I'll save it this on desktop. Just save as all files save. Just remember how we get the HTML boilerplate on Sublime. Hit tab. You can just mention any title of your choice. I'll write HTML page, and whatever you want to make the content appear on the screen, you can write this within the body tags. I'll write H1 internet planet /H1. Okay, just copy paste it. Just replace these numbers by H2 because that is how you will notice the difference between all the 6 headings. H3, H4, H5, and H6. Yeah, there you go. So just save it by pressing Ctrl plus S, and I had saved this file on the on my desktop. Okay, so just double click on it to run the HTML file. I'll choose Google Chrome. Yes, there you go. You can see the difference between all the 6 headings. The H1 is the most important heading and the H6 is the least important headings. You can use either of the headings according to your requirements in your HTML documents. Okay, so that's all for now. In the next video, we'll be going to discuss the paragraph tag.